Hi friends, good morning to all of you and welcome to our Sarjay English classes. With your good response, I get motivation to make a more and more video. First of all, I thanks all of you for subscribing our channel and likes our videos. Today we are going to learn the very good topic, and its topic name is make negative sentence. Dear friends, first of all we must consider how to make a negative sentence. Generally when we use not, that sentence become negative sentence. Yes, but remember, we are doing such types of sentence when we use not, the meaning of sentence should not be changed. This is very important. For example, I would like to take the one example. He is a good boy. Yes, and you will say make a negative sentence without changing meaning. At that time, two things we must remember, that is subject, verb, adjective and the remaining sentence. One thing should be remember most, when we use not always come on the third place, means after verb. He is not good. If you write this, he is not a good boy, here the meaning will change. But we are making such a type of question, make a negative without changing meaning, we need the opposite word of good. And the opposite word of good is bad. Yes, he is bad boy. Now this sentence is negative sentence. Yes, now there are some types of negative. How we make a negative sentence we will see in details. Yes, what you can do, see the first. Take subject. Yes, then second thing, verb. Remember, verb. If in sentence auxiliary verb, then you can it as it is. If there is a main verb, suppose main verb, so you can use, if there is a V1, you use do not. If there is a V2, yes form, if there is a yes form, use does not. If there is a V2, then we can use did not. See, this is very important thing. Yes, then the third things we must remember, and that is the opposite word of the main words in that sentence. Yes, opposite word. You need the three types of the changes. First, there is no change in subject. Second, if the verb is auxiliary, you can use in third. Right? But and after that you use the not here after that. जैसे कि इसके बाद आपको not यूज, auxiliary होगा तो auxiliary के बाद not यूज कीजिए. अगर सेंटेंस में V1 होगा तो do not यूज कीजिए. अगर वर्ब को s लगा होगा तो डज नॉट यूज कीजिए. अगर V2 होगा तो डिड नॉट यूज कीजिए। कैसे करने का हम देखते, फिर उसके बाद अपोजिट वर्ड और अपोजिट वर्ड के बाद जो रिमेनिंग सेंटेंस होगा वो वैसे के वैसे। अगर हम इसका फॉर्मूला बनाएं तो कैसे, जैसे कि एक, अगर ये इसका फॉर्मूला बनाए तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, सी सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब, नाउ यू कैन टेक इट, प्लस नॉट प्लस opposite word plus remaining sentence. Now see, suppose she is beautiful girl. See, beautiful girl. Yes. तो हम ये सेंटेंस का नेगेटिव कैसे करेंगे? नेगेटिव करना मतलब क्या करने का है, we must use no, not, never, nothing, none. These are the 5 words which make the sentence a negative sentence. ये 5 शब्द ऐसे हैं कि जिनसे सेंटेंस ये नेगेटिव होता है, बराबर। तो ये यूज करके हमें वो सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव करने का है। जैसे कि अब यहाँ पे शी इज ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो हम इनमें से जो नो, नॉट, नेवर, नथिंग, नन, ये जो वर्ड्स हमने यहाँ पे यूज किए हैं, ये इसका यूज करके हमें यहाँ पे करने का है। रिमेंबर, शी इज ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो हम इसका कैसे करेंगे, शी is not ugly girl. See, she is not ugly girl. Remember. Now, do you understand this? I repeat for you. If there is an auxiliary in sentence, we use only not after auxiliary. Remember, whatever it may be, the position of not always come in sentence in third position. First subject, verb and not. If we take the subject for 1 number, verb 2 number, and the place of not always in third number. Remember, see, if there is the main verb, when the main verb is there, then how we can turn that sentence into negative sentence? Now we can see. Before this, I will rough it, then you will understand it. See. Suppose the sentence is like this. She like a history. Yes. Now this is sentence. She likes history. How we can turn this sentence negative, make negative without changing meaning? Now see, first check whether there is auxiliary or main verb. Remember, if there is auxiliary, then you can use not. If there is not auxiliary but there is a main verb or lexical verb, so how can we use? See, subject she. If there is a yes form, now if there is a yes means a present tense, use a does not. Does not. Right? Now see which word is important, which we have the opposite word. Now see this word, like. Which is the opposite word? Opposite words of like is dislike. Yes. Dislike history. Yes. She likes history. she does not dislike history. She does not dislike history. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर कोई भी सेंटेंस के अंदर ऑक्सिलरी होगा तो ऑक्सिलरी के बाद आप नॉट यूज किया. ऑक्सिलरी का मतलब हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इफ देर इज अ मेन वर्ब, इफ देर इज अ V1, use do not. If there is a yes form, use does not. If there is a V2, means verb number 2, use did not. Now we can see, I remember this. Now see this sentence. Now here there is no yes form, there is no V2 form, but there is a V1. Yes, remember, I remember. So if the verb is in first form, yes, use do not. Now see, I do not. Now tell me the opposite word of remember. Means forget. Yes, I do not forget. Forget this. Is changing in meaning? No. क्या यहाँ पे मीनिंग का चेंज हुआ है क्या? नहीं हुआ है. I do not forget this. I do not forget this. Yes. We can take the another example here of V2. See. Yes. Yes. Radha spoke truth. Now see. Here is a V2. If in sentence there is a V2, means verb number 2, then how can we use or turn this sentence into negative? Use did not. See, Radha did not speak. Which is the opposite word of this? Truth means false. False. This is a very easy and important topic. In our practical life, we use such a topic. And while making a negative sentence, most of time we do not understand where we use not or did not or does not or do not. So it is necessary. When we learn grammar, at that time, this grammar should be used in our practical life. But then there is a fluency in your speaking. We must speak grammatically. Remember. So, in spoken English and broken English, most of the time we use broken English. Remember. But for the grammar view, it is necessary to use grammar in our practical speaking, and that is called spoken English. Yes? So, this is topic. I hope you understand it. Okay? Like this video, subscribe our channel, share to your friends. If you have any suggestion, you can suggest me. If you want any video on the topic which you like, go to the comment box and mention me that, sir, make this video. I will try my level best. Okay? So, thank you. Have a good day.